Hi, my name is Frank Hanrahan from the Insurance Center, Central Florida. Today with me is Kevin Amrhein from Florida Insurance School. Kevin is an instructor of insurance agents and he writes articles for the insurance publications. One of the reasons we wanted to have this show today is because we really wanted people to understand their insurance. It seems that most people don't like insurance because they don't understand it. It's too confusing. We thought we'd try to give you a little bit of basics and some common knowledge that might help you when you buy your own insurance. One of the big questions we have when people call up and they want to buy homeowners insurance is, hey, how much coverage do I need? Because it's a very confusing issue.
No, thank you for having me.
Oh, great.
Frank. I appreciate the opportunity. That's an exceptional question that you should always ask your insurance agent. How much coverage do I need? And the reason that's extremely important is because what ends up happening in a lot of cases, people assume that the market value of their home, what they paid for their home, is how much they need to insure it for. And unfortunately, what you're trying to insure your home for is the cost to repair or replace it if it's damaged. In 2004, in this part of the, all across the state of Florida, people suffered significant damages from hurricanes, and as a result, the cost of building materials absolutely skyrocketed.
Oh, there's actually shortages too.
Shortages of building materials, and you have no control over that. It's a completely variable cost. You have no control over it. And what that does is it increases the cost to replace the house that suffered damage. So, for example, a house that you bought 3 years ago could cost significantly more to replace today than you paid for it 3 years ago.
We heard stories people paid $5,000 for a screen enclosure. Now it's $15,000.
Absolutely, and you hear those stories all the time, and that's why that's why using the market value as the replacement value, you have to learn how to separate the two. It's very difficult to do that because replacement cost is based on so many variable factors. And the way that we always recommend that you determine the replacement cost of your home is to talk to an insurance agent that has up-to-date cost estimation software. They have insurance companies that have cost estimation software that will help you determine, hey, what is it going to cost to get this house back? If I lose this house, what is it going to cost me to get this house back today? That's why this question is extremely important.
One of the things, especially, if you think about a guy who buys a house on the beach, he's paying $1 million. Well, the land was probably $800,000 and the house is $2 million. So you don't really want to insure that land. You don't pay premium for the land because it's not going anywhere. The second thing is you really want to make sure you have an accurate replacement value, because if you're too low, in the event of a loss, you can be penalized. And the second thing is if you buy too much, you can be paying more than you should, and you're raising your hurricane deductible. In the event of a loss, you have to pay a lot more out of pocket. So it's very important that you do get the right amount.
Absolutely, and it's extremely important that you check the replacement cost of your home at least annually. Often it's important to do that more than annually, and here's the reason why. Because according to the Wall Street Journal, people in this country love to upgrade their homes. We spent $40 billion in this country upgrading our homes last year. And whether it be because you want to sell the home for more, or whether it be because
your wife wants to remodel again?
Your wife, that's the kitchen that she had to have. Whatever the reason might be. You spend $40 billion upgrading your homes in 2007. That adds a significant cost to the replacement value of the home, because now you're replacing those mahogany doors.
Right.
You're not getting the fiberglass anymore. Okay. You're getting back the house that you lost. And the only way to do that is by having adequate coverage at the time of the loss. And that's why it's extremely important you meet with your insurance agent, go through the estimation process with them at least once a year, if not more often.
Again, give your agent a call, review your policy, and if you'd like a second opinion, give us a call at the Insurance Center, Central Florida. Our number is below.